All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with a SAT type problem. So this is going to be an advanced math problem type of SAT problem. So before we solve this, of course, make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed, you can do that too. And pause the video, try to solve it, and then we'll move forward. Okay, all right, let's go into it. So we're given this following equation. The square root of y plus the square root of 16 is the square root of 36. And what is y? Now, this can look a little bit intimidating if you just pay attention to the fact that the square root, that y is under a square root, but it's not bad at all. Just solve for y. And you also need to know your square roots. If you don't already, what's 2 squared, what's 3 squared, what's 4 squared, what's 5 squared. Go up to at least, I don't know, maybe 16. So then you can kind of know what the roots of those actual numbers are. All right, anyhow, let's rewrite this. Square root of y plus, now what is the square root of 16? It's 4. It equals, what's the square root of 36? 10. Ooh, I mean 6. I'm thinking too far ahead. Well, and then I'm thinking incorrectly, but it's 6, not 10. It's 6, 6. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. 4 goes away there. Square root of y equals 2. Now, if the square root of y is equal to 2, that means, think about it. If the square root of y, that means whatever y is, we're taking the root. We want to find, like, essentially, we want to find what y times y is equal to. I mean, no. Yeah. We're trying to, no, not what y times y is equal to. We're trying to find what times what equals y, right? So that means that if we're taking the square root, whatever the square root of y is, if we square that, then we'll just get back y. We'll square both sides. Now, before I continue there, another way to look at it is this. Y, the square root of y is the same thing as y to the 1/2 power. Okay? So y to the 1/2 power. Remember, y to the first power is just y. So if we're trying to find y, what do we need to do to just get y? If we would square this, remember, if you square something that's raised to a power, you multiply the exponents, then you get y. So that's why we're going to square this. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So y is equal to 4. Let me know in the comments if you got the answer, okay? Make sure that you let me know. Also, make sure that you, again, like this video, subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.